everybody, my name is Hunter's Roll Gaming. Welcome to Chef's Special, a horror game about you cooking yet again. Another one of those cooking type horror games that you really find on itch.io very easily. Along with the other horror games that involve like the night shifts, some stores and everything. Then you actually take some jobs and everything while some scary or paranormal occurrences happen all over the planet. Damn, so this one can be the case. So with that, let's go. Oh, I can use a meat cleaver to use that on the start button. Okay. Alright. What the hell is going on? Ooh, a refrigerator. Whoa! Oh god, hello. What a wonderful day, right? Ah, you're the new guy. Congratulations. Hope you stay more than the last guy. Anyway, without being afraid, you give me one Happy Meal and a Coke, please. Okay, one Happy Meal. You working at McDonald's? There's a radio. And there's a recipe notes. Okay, so there's a Happy Meal, 2 cracked eggs, and 1 sliced potato. Okay, 2 cracked eggs. Where are the 2 cracked eggs? Yeah, okay, I can open the door, nice. 2 cracked eggs. Oh god, okay. Okay. Let's see, what should I do with this? Okay, crafts with E. Ooh, alright. Okay, so, because I have to get this. And then 1 sliced potato. Whoa, what the hell? Why do I keep throwing that? And I get that. Alright. That should be in the spot. And, oh, okay. I wonder what this does. Oh, shit. Okay. Cutting board. Okay. I take this potato over there. Oh, okay. Oh! Okay. I can craft it with E. Alright. Okay. Oh! Okay, that's how it works. Alright, I just put it out. Oh, God. Forget about that one, too. Alright, that? Okay. That's good. Now I need the fries there, too. Okay, and the other? And I can craft it with E. Oh! Yeah, that's it. And a Coke. Alright. Okay, that's how it works. Alright, here you go. You have a talent, kid. Taste is awesome. Thanks. You're welcome. Hello, man. How is business doing? It seems good. Can you give me 1 shocked and 1 Coke? 1 shocked and 1 Coke. Let me check the menu. 1 shocked meal. Crack eggs. Okay, 2 crack eggs. And alright. Oh, 1 shocked meal. And a Coke. Okay, I'll just save it for now. 2 cracked eggs coming right up. 2 bacon. 2 bacon, right? 2 bacon? 2 bacon. Okay, 2 bacon. Okay. Now looking at the rest of the cracked eggs. There we go. And cracked. Whoa, this looks really good. Yes! 1 Coke. Yeah, coming right up. This taste reminds me of my 20s. Thanks a lot. You're welcome, old man. Alright, waiting for the next customer to show up. Come on. Alright, good evening, sweetie. I'm on the diet today, so just give me 1 fresh sandwich, 5 Cokes. Before you say I know I look fit, thanks to diet and healthy life. Alright, let me check right here. 5 Cokes, here we go. Now we're up to the fresh sandwich. So let me see, 1 slice of bread, 1 brain, oh shit. Slice of tomato and then lettuce, okay. Alright then, that's good. 1 brain, 1 brain. Alright. God, this really looks so disturbing now. And then, okay. 1 slice of tomato in the bread. So I'm going to put that in the 2 cutting boards. I'll put tomato to the left. And I'll put lettuce to the right. Okay. Now I could just slice one tomato. There. And the other should do. There. Get the lettuce. One slice of tomato. There we go. Ha ha! Fresh sandwich. Right, good for you. What should I eat at night? Anyways, thanks for the snack. You're welcome. What can I say? It's
Huh?
Oh my god. I think there was a monster right behind me. Oh god. You again, Morgan Freeman. I've seen you a lot before. What's up, my man? I just realized you are working so hard. If you are interested, I have a good stuff. Green stuffs, take one and be relaxed. Let's make a deal in the midnight. Give me your special, and I give you my special. Okay, I think we dealt. Oh, for our agreement, just give me a Coke now. What was that monster? I should have turned around. Wait for me, my man. I'll be there. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Hello, did you hear the news? People talking about the guy. He tries to sell something weird. I think it's just a rumor. Nothing serious, but be careful. Anyways, give me one Shocks, one Happy, one Coke, please. Alright. Oh, God, this is gonna take me a while. Alright. Remember, I'll just try to keep checking the notes freely. Alright, here we go. Thanks for the meal, but don't forget to be careful. Alright. Oh, my man, you seem exhausted. Be chill. I got you. If you remember our deal, just give me your special, I'll give you mine. Okay. The special chef's special. One brain, one slice of egg. One brain coming right up.
14 hours later.
Oh! Damn. Okay, all you need is not the full potato or the lettuce. All you need is all slices of the egg, potato, tomato, and lettuce. That makes it the chef's special. Okay, that's what it is like. Alright. This shit amazing. Here's the greens. See you around. If you survive. What the hell? Uh-oh. What the hell's going on? Whoa, what the hell? Whoa, what, was I dizzy? Was I dizzy? What the fuck was that? Oh, thanks for playing. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome now. Oh, damn, that was really cool. Alright, I'll just try to see if there's, like, a monster ahead. I'll try to give this another go. Ah! Oh, my fucking God, what the hell was that? What the hell was that thing? Shit, that got me the creeps. Fuck. Alright, well, that was actually a very short game. That took me forever to actually figure out how Chef's Special was actually done. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching Chef's Special. It was a very decent cooking horror game. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow me on Twitch if you haven't already. And make sure you drop that down the like button. Stay 20% cooler and be ready for the real action. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye, guys.